Supabase versus Node.js. Choosing the right backend platform can completely change how you build and scale applications without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore both Supabase and Node.js, highlighting their key differences and use cases. Supabase and Node.js. JSAs are popular backend solutions but serve different purposes. Supabase is a backend-as-a-service platform offering ready-to-use tools, while Node.js is a runtime environment for building custom backend applications from the ground up. Supabase is an open-source backend platform designed to simplify app development by providing a suite of pre-built services like a Postgres database, authentication, real-time subscriptions, and storage. It works by offering developers a ready-made backend infrastructure accessible through APIs and client libraries. This setup allows teams to focus on front-end features without managing servers or databases. Supabase's strengths lie in its ease of use, quick setup, and seamless integration with modern front-end frameworks. It supports real-time data updates, making it ideal for apps requiring live interactions. However, it has limitations in customization compared to building a backend from scratch, and scaling complex business logic might require external services or workarounds. Supabase is ideal for startups, solo developers, or teams looking for rapid development with minimal backend maintenance, especially when using PostgreSQL as the database. Node.js is a powerful JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine that enables developers to create scalable, high-performance backend applications. It works by executing JavaScript code server-side, allowing full control over backend architecture, APIs, and server logic. Node.js excels in handling asynchronous operations and real-time communication, making it a strong choice for complex applications requiring custom workflows. Its strengths include flexibility, a vast ecosystem of libraries via NPM, and the ability to build anything from simple APIs to complex microservices. However, Node.js requires more setup and maintenance compared to backend-as-a-service solutions, demanding deeper backend knowledge and infrastructure management. It is best suited for experienced developers or teams who need full backend customization, control over performance optimizations, and the ability to integrate diverse databases or services beyond what managed platforms offer. Supabase offers a fast, managed backend with built-in authentication, database, and real-time features, reducing development time and operational overhead. It is perfect for projects that prioritize speed and simplicity, such as MVPs or apps with standard backend needs. Node.js, on the other hand, provides unmatched flexibility and control, ideal for applications with complex business logic or custom integrations. While Supabase limits you to PostgreSQL and predefined services, Node.js lets you choose any database or architecture but requires more effort to build and maintain. For example, a startup might choose Supabase to launch quickly, whereas a large-scale enterprise application with unique backend requirements would benefit from Node.js. The trade-off is between ease of use and customization, with Supabase offering convenience and Node.js delivering power. Supabase is recommended for developers seeking a quick, scalable backend with minimal setup, ideal for projects that need ready-made services and real-time capabilities out of the box. Node.js is the best choice for those requiring full control over backend architecture and custom solutions. It suits experienced developers building complex, scalable applications. Choose wisely based on your project's needs, balancing speed and flexibility to achieve the best results.